Like basically, a lot of, I know it's a dominant first half for you, and you've like had a lot of recent history with this team playing in the playoffs. What would you say has made them so special throughout the year, coming in and having a game plan for them?
Obviously, first is Shai. I think he's an unbelievable player. He makes them look like they're an incredible team, and they are. And then second is, I think, their defense. You have a lot of guys that can guard 1 through 5. They can switch. They can control the game with their defense, and they have a lot of weapons.
I know you mentioned now with Luka's new surroundings, it's more like perimeter oriented. Do you feel like his new personnel, the pieces around him, kind of make him harder to defend than when he was in Dallas? And I guess what has to change with the approach in terms of defending him?
No, same guy. Really talented, smart basketball player. Will pick you apart if you let him. It didn't feel like a different guy. I felt like the same Luka Doncic, good basketball player. Yeah. Obviously, with the adding of Luka and the, I guess, subtract of AD, like their attack becomes more perimeter and less interior, and that's like the difference in their attack. Defensively, AD used to switch a lot too, but it's like defensively they've always been good, but their attack offensively is like more perimeter and space out as opposed to interior posting and stuff like that.